Hello, this is my Golf GTE from 2015 with 50,000 kilometers. We just tuned it from 205 to 307 horsepower combined. The weather outside is not so good to testing it, but we're gonna try it. The car is currently on 17's winter tires. Next week we are getting OZ ULTRALEGGERA 19's with EIBACH PRO springs on it. So now we're gonna try to measure some from 0 to 100 acceleration. It's not gonna be so good how we expect, but we hope the weather will get better next week so we can test it better with our 19s.